Caribbean E. Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody's just having a wonderful and splendid day and that you are in the best of health. And health is everything, because if you ain't in good health, you got some problems. When you retire to a nice laid-back country like the Dominican Republic or other places, it's time to slow down. It's time to relax. You are not living inside the box anymore. You're outside of the box. Breathe. Inhale, exhale, and relax. And take your time in taking care of your business here. I have one of my favorite t-shirts on. And you know what it says? It says, time to sit back and relax. Because I'm in retirement. And I'm not on nobody's schedule but God's. So, when you come here and you're setting up your business, have fun and setting up your business, because you're retired. You have relocated. You're in a different country. You're in a different time zone. Don't allow some people that work here to work your nerves. Many people hate their lives wishing that they were you. So living in the Dominican Republic is a completely different beast from any other place you've lived in. Get the stuff that you need that you can live your everyday life. Come here, jump into an Airbnb. After that, you find your apartment. You get the things that you need. Start living your life. Make sure you got some nice security. And start enjoying life. Peaceful, calm, sit on the patio, feel the breeze, watch those palm trees. If you're close to the beach, you can watch the waves go in and come out. It's just a beautiful atmosphere. What am I trying to say on this retirement video is, don't bring that drama and stress that you've been through all those years on your job to your retirement spot. Because this is your sweet spot. And you shouldn't get here and let nobody stress you out. You shouldn't even let yourself stress you out. Or whether it's family or friends or anybody. This is the rest of your life. As you travel, as you try out new foods, check out some new wines, and then just enjoy your life. Because this is the labor of your life. This is your paradise. So sit back, relax, chill, enjoy your life. And sometimes, I'm not making this video because sometimes that's not easy. Because I've had dreams since I've been retired, after being retired, that I was actually going to be late for work tomorrow. Because it gets so much into your head, into your life, especially people that you work with, it becomes a part of you. So it takes almost rehab to get out of that thinking mode so that you can sit back and enjoy the rest of your life without going literally crazy and going nuts. Relax and breathe. I had dreams about being late for work, all this kind of stuff, and people that I work with. Your mind tells your body, then your body tells your soul. It's a process of time to release yourself from all that stress, from all those years you've been working on that job. But here, it's a peacefulness. You're at a different place at a different time. It's being free. Because for the most part, you that are watching this video, or you watching my other retirement videos, or the videos that we do on the channel, whether it's the cost of living or anything else, travel, whatever, foods, whatever it may be, you saying to yourself, man, one day I'm going to be there too. And I can't wait to get there. Well, everything takes time. Stop letting people stress you out, because for the most part, while you're living here on this earth, your retirement is your promised land. And you've been working very, 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 very hard to get to your promised land. Don't mess it up. Don't throw it away. Don't lose your mind, but enjoy yourself, because guess what? You deserve it. Don't be like the children of Israel that came out of bondage for over 400 years and crossed the Red Sea and got to over by the promised land and start complaining and never seen the real promised land. When you get to your retirement, set yourself up, take your time, have a smile on your face. You may have a few little things going on over here, a few little things going on over there, but it ain't nothing that but money that can't take off. Because money speaks volume, especially here in this country. It speaks volume. Money talks, the rest of it walks. And before you know it, you can sit back smiling and say, wow, this was worth it all. Believe me when I tell you. And I showed you guys video of my place, what it looks like. I'm sitting back relaxing today. I ain't got to be on nobody's time schedule. I got my sunglasses on, I got my hat on, I got my beach shirt on. I'm relaxing, I'm chilling like a villain. And you're going to be at the same place I am one day. So, don't kill yourself on these jobs. Don't have a heart attack. Don't let your boss or your people, your corporation, whatever, drive you crazy, drive you nuts. Sit back with a smile on your face and start counting down the years and start counting down the months. So that's what I did. And I tell you what, it's well worth it. And it gets better all the time. So I just wanted to share that with you. Okay? Don't come here and go crazy. The service is different here. The people are different here. Relax, breathe, handle your business, and enjoy your life. Because guess what? You only got one. Enjoy your life. Have a good time. And keep a smile on your face. Because you know what? You've been there. You've done that. The rest of you guys, keep following the channel. Because you're going to see us go places and do things that even we haven't done before. Okay? So, just want to share that with you. Hold on to that. Because there's a big adjustment when you get outside of the box. So, in the meantime, between the time, always remember life to be enjoyed. Hit that subscription and notification and thumbs up. And I will see you on the next video.